Welcome to your online class. Today we are going to start the first chapter, rational numbers. Ready? What is my rational number? Rational number is in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Next, what are the rational numbers? So, we know rational numbers in the form of p by q, it involves whole numbers, integers. So, listen here. So, 5 by 7 is a rational number or not? Yes, 5 by 7 is a rational number which is in the form of p by q. What about 6? 6 also rational numbers because rational numbers involves integers. You know integers, what are the integer numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. These are the integers. So, 6 is an integer, all integers are rational numbers. What about minus 5? Minus 5 is integer number. So, all integer numbers are rational numbers. Root 16. So, root 16 means the value of root 16, 4. How you got 4? You know 4 into 4 is 16 or square of 4 is 16. What about root 25? 5 into 5 is 25. So, root 25 answer is 5. What is root 81? 9 into 9 is 81. So, its root value is 9. So, root 16 is 4. So, 4 is a integer. All integers are rational numbers. So, this is a rational number. What about root 6? There is no correct value. So, root 6 is not a rational number. Root 6 is not a rational number. What about root 16 divided by 25? We know root 16. What is root 16? That is 4. Divided by root 25, that is 5. So, which is in the form of 4 by p by q, which is a rational number. What about pi? Pi is not a rational number because the value of pi is 3.14 something. So, it is not a rational number. Clear? What is rational number? Rational number is in the form of p by q, which involves integers and whole numbers. Clear? Okay, listen. Before entering this chapter, we have to learn some basics of mathematics, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So, listen here. How to find 1 plus 3 by 4? You know, by cross multiplication, then cross multiply. 1 into 4, 4, plus 1 to 3, 3, or divide by 1 into 4, 4. So, its answer is 7 divided by 4. So, what about here? 5 by 3 minus 1 by 4 by just cross multiplication. 5 into 4, 20 minus 1 to 3, 3, all divided by 12. So, 20 minus 3, that is 17 divided by 12. Ready? Next, how to multiply two numbers. So, here direct multiplication. In the case of addition and subtraction, that is cross multiplication. In the case of multiplication, direct multiplication, how to multiply 2 by 3 into 5 by 6, 2 into 5 that is 10 divided by 3 into 6 is 18. You can cancel 2 in 10 and 18, that is 5 divided by 9, that is 5 by 9. Then how to divide two fractions? 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 4. So, 1 by 2 into, we are converting the division into multiplication. When you are converting division to multiplication, take the reciprocal of number. What is the reciprocal of 3 by 4? That is 4 by 3. Then multiply 1 into 4, 4, 2 into 3, 6. Very simple. You can cancel 2 in 4 and 6, that is 2 divided by 3, 2 by 3. Very simple. Okay, this is the basics of mathematics. Property. Closure property means suppose the input and output the same, that is known as closure property. Suppose you are giving an input, that is rational number, then you will get an output, that is also rational number, that is called closure property. Okay, so listen here. Closure property in rational numbers. What is make a rational number? Suppose its input and output are same, that is closure. So, here listen. Closure property in rational numbers. In the case of addition, take a rational number 2 by 3. This is a rational number. Take another rational number 5 by 2. Then addition. So just to cross multiply 2 into 2 4 plus 3 into 5 15, all divided by 3 into 2 6. So 4 plus 15 is 19 divided by 6. This is 19 divided by 6 is also rational number. So here input is rational number and its output is also rational number. Therefore rational number is closed under addition. Closed under addition. Very simple. Okay, in subtraction, take any rational number. So suppose I am taking 2 by 3. This is a rational number. Take another rational number 5 by 4. This is a rational number. Then subtraction. By cross multiplication, 2 into 4 8 minus 3 into 5 15, all divided by 3 into 4 12. So 8 minus 15, that is minus 7 divided by 12. Minus 7 divided by 12 is a rational number. So input is rational number and its output is also rational number. Very simple. So rational number is closed under subtraction. In multiplication, take any rational number 2 by 3 into other rational number 5 by 4. Okay. So this is rational number. This is also rational number. 2 into 5, that is 10 divided by 3 into 4 12. So this is also rational number. So here input is rational number and its output is also rational number. Therefore rational number is closed under multiplication. Before doing division, what is 0 into 2? That is 0. What is 0 divided by 2? That is 0. What is 2 raised to 0? That is 1. What is 2 divided by 0? 2 divided by 0 is not defined or infinity. Okay. Then here division. Take a rational number. I am taking 2 by 3. This is a rational number. Divide by another rational number 5 by 4. What is the answer? 2 by 3 into, when you are changing division into multiplication, take the reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 5 by 4? That is 4 by 5. So here answer is 2 into 4 is 8, 3 into 5 is 15. So 8 by 15 is rational number. So input is rational number and its output is also rational number. In this case, rational number is closed under division. But here one problem is there. Suppose you are taking 2 by 3, this is a rational number, divided by 0 is also rational number. So 2 by 3 into, when you are changing division into multiplication, take the reciprocal of this number. What is the reciprocal of 0? That is 1 by 0. So here 2 into 1, 2 divided by 3 into 0, 0. What is the answer? Not defined. So in this special case, this is not defined. Therefore, in generally, we can say that rational number is not closed under division. Otherwise, we can say that rational number is closed under division, exclude 0. Exclude 0. Clear? Okay. Okay, next we are discussing closure property in integers. So here, take a integer number. Suppose I am taking integer number 2. This is a integer number. Take another integer number 5. Then what is 2 plus 5? That is 7. So it is also integer. So input is integer and output also integer. So integer is closed under addition. Okay, you can take any example. Suppose you are taking a 0. 0 is an integer. Take a integer 0 plus take another in the integer minus 3. This is integer. 0 plus minus 3 is minus 3. So here answer is minus 3 is also integer. Input is integer and output is also integer. Therefore, integers numbers closed under addition. Next, in the case of subtraction, so listen here, take a integer number minus 5 minus subtraction 7. This is an integer, this is also integer number. So minus 5 minus 7, that is minus 12. So minus 12 is also integer. Integer input is integer and output is also integer. So integer clause under subtraction. Next, in the case of multiplication, take a integer number 2, take another integer number, you can take any number and take a minus 5. Then what is the answer? 2 into minus 5 is minus 10. So minus 10 is also integer. So here input is integer and output is also integer. Therefore, integers clause under multiplication. Very simple. Next, division. So take any number, any integer number 5. I am taking 5. Then divide by, take another integer number 2. You can choose any number. Then what is the answer? 5 divided by 2. What is 5 divided by 2? That is 2.5. 2.5 is not a integer. 2.5 is not a integer. So here input is integer and output is not integer. Therefore, integer is not claused under division. Clear? So here we discussed about the clausal property of rational numbers and integers. So similarly, you do yourself clausal property of whole numbers and the clausal property of natural numbers as the part of your homework. Okay, next our topic is additive inverse or negative of a number. Very simple topic. Additive inverse means the opposite sign. Ready? Very simple. Listen. So here what is the additive inverse of 5? Additive inverse of 5 means its opposite sign or negative of 5. What is the opposite sign of 5? Here positive 5, so write it as negative 5. This is its additive inverse. Clear? Next, what is the additive inverse of minus 6 or negative of minus 6? What is the opposite sign of minus 6? That is positive 6. Clear? Next, additive inverse of minus 2 by 3. What is additive inverse of minus 2 by 3? So here minus 2 by 3. So opposite sign of minus is positive 2 by 3. So additive inverse of minus 2 by 3 is positive 2 by 3. What is additive inverse of 2 by minus 3? Before doing additive inverse, is there any simplification? Yes. What is positive divided by negative? Positive divided by negative is negative 2 by 3. After simplification, what is the additive inverse of minus 2 by 3? Additive inverse of minus 2 by 3 is positive 2 by 3. So this is additive inverse of minus 2 by 3. Next, here what is the additive inverse of minus 2 by minus 3? What is negative divided by negative? That is positive. So 2 divided by 3. Negative divided by negative is positive 2 by 3. This is the simplest form of minus 2 by 3. Then what is the additive inverse of positive 2 by 3? That is negative 2 by 3. What is the additive inverse of minus 5 plus 2? First of all, just to simplify this form, what is minus 5 plus 2? Minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3. Then what is its additive inverse? Positive 3. Very simple. Next our topic is multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. What is my multiplicative inverse or reciprocal? Suppose you given a form A by B. What is its reciprocal? Reciprocal means its ulta. Ulta means B by A. Suppose given A by B, then its ulta B by A, that is its reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. So here what is the multiplicative inverse of 2 by 3? So here what is the ulta? Ulta of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Very simple. So here reciprocal is 3 by 2. What is the reciprocal of 5? So its ulta. Ulta of 5 is 1 by 5. Ready? Then what about here? So before doing multiplicative inverse, just we have to simplify this the form 5 by 2 plus 1. What is 5 by 2 plus 1? By cross multiplication, what is the answer? 5 plus 2 divided by 2. So answer is 7 divided by 2. What is its multiplicative inverse? So inverse of 7 by 2, multiple inverse of 7 by 2 is 2 by 7. Multiply 2 by 3 and reciprocal of 5 by 6. Reciprocal of 5 by 6. So 2 by 3 and reciprocal of 5 by 6. What is the reciprocal of 5 by 6? That is 6 by 5. So very simple. What is the answer? 2 into 6, 12. 3 into 5, 15. For example, multiply 5 by 2 and reciprocal of 3 by 4. How to multiply? So 5 by 2 into reciprocal of 3 by 4 is ulta of 3 by 4, that is 4 by 3. So what is the answer? 5 by 2 into 4 by 3, 5 into 4, 20 divided by 6. Very simple. Suppose another example, add 5 by 2 and reciprocal of add 5 by 2 and reciprocal of 3 by 4. How to add 5 by 2 and reciprocal of 3 by 4? So 5 by 2 plus reciprocal of 3 by 4 means ulta of 3 by 4. What is ulta of 3 by 4? That is 4 by 3. Then simplify by cross multiplication. 3 into 5, 15 plus 2 into 4, 8. So 2 into 3 is 6. 23 divided by 6. Very simple. So today we are studying about what is rational number and its properties, closure property, then additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. Very simple. Okay. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്ത കാര്യങ്ങളാണ് ക്ലോഷർ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി. എന്താണ് ക്ലോഷർ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി? നമ്മൾ എന്താണ് ഇൻപുട്ട് കൊടുക്കുന്നത് അത് തന്നെ ഔട്ട്പുട്ട് വരാണെങ്കിൽ എന്താണ് ക്ലോഷർ എന്ന് പറയാം. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മളതിൽ റാഷണൽ നമ്പേഴ്സ് പറഞ്ഞു, അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഇൻഡിജേഴ്സ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. നമ്മൾ റാഷണൽ നമ്പർ അഡിഷൻ ആണെങ്കിൽ റാഷണൽ നമ്പർ പ്ലസ് റാഷണൽ നമ്പർ ഈക്വൽ ടു റാഷണൽ നമ്പർ ആണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്കെന്ത് പറയാം? ദറ്റ് ഈസ് ക്ലോസ്ഡ് അണ്ടർ അഡിഷൻ എന്ന് പറയാം. റെഡി? റാഷണൽ നമ്പർ എന്താണ്? ക്ലോസ്ഡ് അണ്ടർ അഡിഷൻ എന്ന് പറയാം. ഇതാണ് ക്ലോഷർ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി. ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ 2 by 3 പ്ലസ് 1 by 2. ഇത് റാഷണൽ നമ്പർ എടുത്തു, അടുത്ത റാഷണൽ നമ്പർ എടുത്തു. ഇത് രണ്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഇപ്പോൾ 2 into 2 4 പ്ലസ് 3 7 ഡിവൈഡ് ബൈ 6. 7 by 6 എന്താണ്? റാഷണൽ നമ്പറാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്കെന്തറിയാം? സോ ഇൻപുട്ട് റാഷണൽ നമ്പറാണ്, ഔട്ട്പുട്ട് എന്താണ്? റാഷണൽ നമ്പറാണ്. സോ റാഷണൽ നമ്പർ ഈസ് ക്ലോസ്ഡ് അണ്ടർ അഡിഷൻ. അങ്ങനെ സബ്സ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ എല്ലാം ചെയ്ത് നോക്കി. സോ റാഷണൽ നമ്പർ എല്ലാം ചെയ്ത് നോക്കി. ഇതാണെന്ത്? നമ്മൾ ക്ലോഷർ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി. നെക്സ്റ്റ് പഠിപ്പിച്ച സംഭവമാണ് അഡിറ്റീവ് ഇൻവേഴ്സ് ഓർ നെഗറ്റീവ് ഓഫ് എ നമ്പർ. അഡിറ്റീവ് ഇൻവേഴ്സ് ഓർ നെഗറ്റീവ് ഓഫ് എ നമ്പർ മീൻസ് ഒരു 5 തന്നു, ഒരു നമ്പർ തന്നു, അതിൻ്റെ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് സൈൻ എടുക്കുക. 5ൻ്റെ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് എന്താണ്? -5 ആണ്. ഇതാണ് അതിൻ്റെ അഡിറ്റീവ് ഇൻവേഴ്സ്. സോ -2 by 3ൻ്റെ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് എന്താണ്? +2 by 3. അതാണെന്ത്? അതിൻ്റെ അഡിറ്റീവ് ഇൻവേഴ്സ്. സോ അപ്പോൾ -2 by -3 വന്നു. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യേണ്ട കാര്യം എന്താണ്? അതിവിടെ സിംപ്ലിഫൈ ചെയ്യാണ്ട് അത് സിംപ്ലിഫൈ ചെയ്യണം. വാട്ട് ഈസ് -2 by 3? സിംപ്ലസ്റ്റ് ഫോം ഓഫ് -2 by 3 ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് നെഗറ്റീവ് എന്തായി? പോസിറ്റീവായി. സോ 2 by 3 ആണ്. ഈ 2 by 3 ആണ് ഇതിൻ്റെ സിംപ്ലസ്റ്റ് ഫോം. എന്നിട്ട് അതിൻ്റെ അഡിറ്റീവ് ഇൻവേഴ്സ്. ഇതിൻ്റെ അഡിറ്റീവ് ഇൻവേഴ്സ് എന്തായിരിക്കില്ല? ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് എന്താ? 2 by 3ൻ്റെ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് -2 by 3. ഇനിയിപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് തന്നു 1 + 1 by 2 തന്നു. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ ഇതിൻ്റെ അഡിറ്റീവ് ഇൻവേഴ്സ് ഓടിക്കുക. എന്താ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? ഇത് സിംപ്ലിഫൈ ചെയ്യണം. 1 + 1 by 2 എന്താണ്? ഫുള്ളും ഹാഫും കൂട്ടി എത്ര വരാം? ഫുൾ ആൻഡ് ഹാഫ് മീൻസ് 3 by 2. സോ അതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ കിട്ടി 3 by 2 കിട്ടി. ഇനി ഇതിൻ്റെ അഡിറ്റീവ് ആൻസർ എന്താക്കി വരാം? പോസിറ്റീവ് 3 by 2 ആൻസർ എന്താണ്? -3 by 2. റെഡി? സോ അഡിറ്റീവ് ഇൻവേഴ്സ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നെഗറ്റീവ് ഓഫ് എ നമ്പർ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇതാണ്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് പഠിച്ചാണ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേറ്റീവ് ഇൻവേഴ്സ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ. ഇപ്പോൾ ഒരു 2 by 3 തന്നു. ഈ 2 by 3ൻ്റെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേറ്റീവ് ഇൻവേഴ്സ് അത് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അതിൻ്റെ നേരെ റിവേഴ്സ് ഉൾട്ടാക്കിയതാണ്. ഈ 3ന് മുകളിലും 2ന് താഴത്തും ചെയ്താൽ. സോ എന്താണ് ആൻസർ? 2 by 3ൻ്റെ നേരെ റിവേഴ്സ് എന്താക്കിയതാ? 3 by 2. സോ ഇപ്പോൾ ഇങ്ങനെ വന്നു -5 by 2 വന്നു. അതിൻ്റെ നേരെ ഉൾട്ട് എന്താക്കിയതാ? 2 by -5. ഈ നെഗറ്റീവ് മുകളിലേക്കും താഴത്തേക്കും പ്രശ്നമില്ല. ഇപ്പോൾ ഇങ്ങനെ വന്നു 1 + 1 by 2. ഇതിൻ്റെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേറ്റീവ് ഇൻവേഴ്സ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ എന്താണ്? അപ്പോൾ അതിന് ആദ്യം ചെയ്യണം? സിംപ്ലിഫൈ ചെയ്യണം. 1 + 1 by 2 എന്താണ്? 3 by 2 ആണ്. അതിന് സിംപ്ലിഫൈഡ് ഫോം എന്ത്? 3 by 2 കിട്ടി. ഇനി എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? ഇതിൻ്റെ റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ എന്താണ്? 3 by 2 റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ എന്താണ്? 2 by 3. ഇത്രയും കാര്യങ്ങളൊന്നും ചെയ്ത് നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ളത്. സോ താങ്ക് യു.